G'day folks, welcome to Boggy Creek, or otherwise known as Curdies, and this is the Curdies River behind me here. This is the first video I'm going to do in a series on different boat ramps all along the Great Ocean Road and in the Great Ocean Road area, whether it's boat ramps that go into the ocean or the inland water systems and lakes. So if you're interested in this type of stuff, stay tuned and we'll get into the first one today, Boggy Creek. Curdies is located about 30 minutes drive from Warrnambool. It's a beautiful, quiet boat ramp, which is asphalted and always clean. Good jetty access is available, with ample car parking. The boat ramp is suitable for both four-wheel drives and two-wheel drives. There is a toilet block at the boat ramp, an old swimming area, and a diving board. There are a number of jetties where you can comfortably fish from the riverbank. Fish washing areas are available also. There are children's playgrounds and a lot of nice grassed area to relax. There is also 2 barbecue areas available under shelter, and it is a great place to have a picnic with the family. There is even a fire pit that overlooks the river for the cold nights. Well, there you go folks, that's Boggy Creek or Curdies. Now tune in next week and you'll see another boat ramp in the area off the Great Ocean Road, and if you've got any thoughts or suggestions of a boat ramp you'd like me to cover, stick them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.